Haddock, you know, the holiday season is here. The last thing you want to do is discover damage to your roof as you're putting up all those lights and decorations.
That would be awful, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's
well,
a bummer.
You want to let the professionals at Aurora Colorado Roofing do the work for you. It's a BBB accredited business with an A+ rating, and they offer competitive pricing. They work quickly and efficiently, and the satisfaction of their customers is their main priority. We have owner Carrie Haddock here to tell us more. Welcome to Colorado's Best.
Thanks for having me here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Colorado is known for all of its storms, and we've had a lot of them this year. You guys have been pretty busy, right?
We've been busy. Yes, we have. In fact, we only have a few openings left for this year.
Yeah.
And we have a good portion of next year booked as well. So.
Okay, so people should start kind of thinking about this,
oh,
right?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Well, even just today, this week, we've been getting a lot of people calling saying that they've noticed leaks because they thought having a newer roof that the hail wouldn't damage it.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
But, of course, you know, hail damages everything.
It does.
It always comes at the worst time,
right?
too, during the holidays when you have all of your guests.
Right.
But, you know, let's talk about some of the projects you've worked on. I mean, there have been so many, you know.
Right.
We were talking about that a little bit. What's one of your favorites?
Well, one thing you don't really think about is when your insurance company doesn't cover you, you know. So I'd have to say my favorite is one of our clients, John Mills. His insurance carrier decided not to cover his claim off the bat. So his house started having mold and his drywall was falling in.
Wow.
And so we decided to
Just kind of
take it
go
on
after it.
Yeah, we decided just to go ahead and move forward. We went to appraisal beforehand, so as soon as the appraisals came up with an agreed amount, we went forward. But to this day, State Farm still hasn't even paid for all the work. So.
Oh my gosh!
goodness.
But you went ahead and got it taken care
Yeah,
of.
we moved forward even though they wanted us to wait on it.
Yeah.
It's not.
You can't wait when there's mold and
in
stuff.
the house,
Right?
right?
Oh my gosh!
That's unbelievable.
Right.
So what is the most difficult thing about working with these insurance companies? Is it getting them to cover a claim?
Yeah, I'd say the hardest part is that we're not supposed to discuss policy as a contractor. All we can really do is discuss our bill, but the insurance carriers are always trying to say, oh, well, we can't cover such items, or we're going to exclude something. But many times they'll tell a homeowner they'll exclude things without sending them an exclusion letter. So.
But what happens then? I mean, if they say, you know what, we're not going to cover this, we're not going to pay for it, then what?
Yeah.
That's when you got to go to appraisal.
Okay.
The appraisal process is 2 appraisers meet and they come up with an agreed amount. If they can't agree with an amount, then they go to a referee, essentially. And
Kind of mediated.
exactly.
Okay.
But it's a non-biased deal, so the insurance company's not, you know,
Right,
getting the
upper hand. Exactly.
So do people receive a better result when they go to appraisal?
Almost every single time.
So that's good. That's some good news that you can offer people, because I
Definitely.
wouldn't know that.
Right. Most people don't know anything about their policy. Heck, I don't really know much about my policy.
Yeah.
But one thing that I do know about it is that you can go to appraisal. So
Yeah.
that's my favorite part about it,
Yeah.
because the insurance company is always trying to keep as much as they can,
Yeah.
if you will.
It's good to have a company like you on their side. It gives them
Right.
more information, right?
Definitely.
And really quickly, you have a holiday special that you're offering.
We do, yeah. We have a few specials. Anybody who gets on the books for this year or for the coming year, as long as they schedule their appointment before December 31st, we're going to donate $100 to the American Policyholder Association.
Wonderful.
And then also, 3% of the total will donate to any nonprofit of their
Okay.
choice.
That's
that
awesome.
sounds great.
Thank
you
you so
for
much.
coming on. Something
Thanks
to
for
think
having me.
about
Happy Thanksgiving.
for the holiday
Definitely.
season.
Thank you.
And Aurora Colorado Roofing has a special offer for Colorado's Best viewers. If you book your project before the end of 2018, they will donate $100 to the American Policyholder Association Fund in your name. It's a watchdog organization that promotes integrity, honesty, and best practices in the property loss adjustment sector of the insurance industry. They will also donate 3% of the total amount of the project in your name to the nonprofit of your choice. For more information, call 800-901-6290 or visit commercialroofingaurora.com.
Well, the holidays can be an embarrassing time, especially if you have grungy, outdated bathrooms. Up next on Colorado's Best on Fox, find out how to transform that space before your guests arrive during the Black Friday sale at Dream Style Remodeling.